baked potato.
I'm recording right now. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we have a very short video, but I wanted to do this with you guys because I know a lot of you really enjoyed decluttering videos. So for today's video, I'm going to be decluttering my lip glosses. So I'm going to be running through all of my glosses, picking out which ones I use, picking out which ones I don't, and hopefully getting rid of a good amount. Not gonna ramble on anymore. Let's go ahead and get started with the video. So in this drawer, you can see all of my lip products and my concealers. The concealers are those guys back there. I have lipsticks right here. I have already actually decluttered lipsticks, so I'm not gonna be touching that. I'm going to be working on lip glosses. This is from Avon. It's a clear gloss that I got. I think somebody sent this to me. Never been open. I think I'm gonna pass this on to my sister since I get no use out of it. Next one is from Sigma. This is part of their Coeur de Rose collection. I actually just got this. I really do like it, so I'm going to be holding on to it. So we have this one from Hard Candy. This is the Plumping Serum Volumizing Lip Gloss. I love this one. This is one of my favorite lip glosses ever. It's just a really nice, like, milky kind of pink. This is in the shade Girl Next Door. I love it, so I'm going to keep it. So this is a weird one because it's like a gloss and a liquid lipstick at the same time. It's like a lip souffle is what it's called. On the Becca and Chrissy Teigen collaboration. I really do like the color, and I don't have something like this in my collection, so I'm gonna hold on to it. This next one is from Kokie Cosmetics. This is the lip veneer. I really like these because these actually have like pigmentation to them. They're not just like a clear gloss. I love this color, so I am gonna be keeping it. Next we have this one from Neutrogena. This is the Hydro Boost Hydrating Lip Shine. I really like this one, even though it's like a hot pink. It's just like a light wash of pink on your lips, and it feels really nice and like moisturizing. I really do like it, so I'm gonna keep it. So next I got this one from MAC. This is part of the Selena collaboration. I don't get much use out of it. I really do like it still, and it's more of like a collector's piece, so I'm going to be keeping it. Tiny one is from Sigma. This is a Lip Vex in the shade Tint. I really like it. It's this like pink terracotta kind of color. It's really shiny on the lips as well. I'm almost done with it, so I am going to hold on to it and then just finish it up. This is from L'Oreal Paris. This is the Havana and Camila Cabello collaboration. I bought it because I like the color. It's a nice peachy tone, and I like this like little print on the top, but I don't use it ever, so it's just time to go. This one is from NARS. This is Turkish Delight. It's a nice like bubblegum pink kind of color. I really like it, but I don't use it at all because I have other like milky pinks that I prefer, and it's in pretty good condition. I'm gonna put it in the maybe pile because maybe I might give it to my sister or sell it because, like I said, it's like never been used. Okay, so next up, so this is Libra. This is part of their Zodiac collection. It's like a nice light pink color. I mostly keep it because I am a Libra. I do like the shade, but I don't use it, but I really like it because it is Libra, and I do like the shade, so I'm just gonna keep it and just try to get more use out of it. So we actually have two more from Wet n Wild. This top one is like a bronzy one. This is called Moxie Brown, and then this one is, oh, it's not Wet n Wild, it's from Jordana, and it is like the chromatic one. This is in full. I don't get use out of either one of these. I know that for sure. I don't know why I thought I would venture out into like color lip gloss. It's just not gonna happen, so I'm just gonna get rid of them. This other one from Neutrogena. This is also part of their Hydro Boost line. This is Berry Brown. I think I'm gonna get rid of this one only because I use the other one more, the hot pink one. This is just a nice nude, but I have a lot of nude lip glosses already that I much prefer, so I'm gonna get rid of this one. I have two more lip veneers from Kokie. I really like both of these. This one is in Legend, and this one is in... So this one is in Legend and this one is in Bashful. I do use both of them. I really like the consistency of them, so I am going to be keeping both of these. So next I have this one from Profusion. It's like a purpley kind of pink, but when it goes on the lips, it's like a, I don't know, like this like iridescent kind of purpley pink. I really like it. It gives your lip just such a like really pouty, beautiful look. So this is a sparkling lip topper. I like it, and surprisingly I do get a lot of use out of this one, so I'm gonna keep it. Next up we have this one from Reina Rebelde. I really like this one. It's called Enchufada. It's like a bronzy kind of color. It's actually a really beautiful color. I really, really like it. I actually would love like an eyeshadow like this. And I love the packaging and I love the brand, but I just don't get use out of it, and it's been in my collection for so long. I think I gotta let go. Next up, we have this one from Too Faced. This is part of their Tutti Frutti collection, and this is in the shade Fruitcake. I really like it because it's a really beautiful, like, mauve-y pink, and it has a little bit of, like, golden shimmer flecks into it. I just don't get use out of this one, and I think it could be better served elsewhere. So I'll probably give it to my sister. If not, try to sell it or donate it or just toss it. We have this one from ColourPop. This is an ultra satin lip. So it's not like a matte lip, but it's also not a gloss, but it leans a little bit more glossy than like a liquid lipstick, so I just keep it there. This is part of the I Love Sarai collection. Sticker fell, so I don't know what it is, but do love this shade. I actually do use it a lot. I'm almost done with it, so I'm just gonna keep it and finish it up. We have this one from Avon. This is a really beautiful nude. This is in the shade Luster. I like the color, but I just don't get use out of it. I have other nudes that I much prefer, so time to get rid of this one. So this is my favorite lip gloss of all time. This is Buxom White Russian. It's a beautiful, like, milky nude kind of color. It's not so pale where it's gonna give you like dead girl lips, and it's not so nude that it like washes you out. It's just a good mixture of all of them. I love how shiny it is, and this does have like a tingling effect to it, and this is my favorite gloss ever, so I'm totally keeping it. Next we have this one from Tarte. This is a Sea Glass. This is part of their like water drench kind of collection. This is in the shade Sweet Life. I got it in a little set. I didn't like purchase this myself. I got it in a little set. The color does look really nice, and I love this packaging, but I just never use it. I haven't used it. It's brand new, so I don't think I'm gonna use it. Just trying to get rid of it. Pretty sure the same will be said about this one. This is from Jouer Honey Dip Lip Topper. I feel like I bought this or used it once or twice max, and that's it. Haven't used it since, just because it's like a gold shine to it, and I just don't like gold on my lips. I don't think it looks good on my lips for everyday wear. I just don't like the look, so time to let go. This is another gold one, but this is actually the only gold one I use. This is from Dose of Colors, part of the Desi Katie collaboration. This was in Over the Top, like a really nice golden shade. What I like about it is that it's like clear with just like gold flecks on it. It's not like an actual like gold or have like a yellow undertone. I can do stuff like that that's like clear and it has a little bit of shine and shimmer to it. I actually do use this. I should probably get rid of it very, very soon, so I might use it a little bit more and finish it up. I have my second favorite gloss. This is from Fenty Beauty. This is the Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb. Love this one. I feel like this is the perfect universal lip color for everyone. It's just a really beautiful, like, peachy but nude, but kind of like a hint of pink as well. Super glossy, really nice on the lips. I love these gloss bombs. They're amazing, and this color, Fenty Glow, is just like perfect for everyone. So this is from Bare Minerals. This is Sugar Gloss Brilliant Gloss. I really do like it. I don't get much use out of it because I have a bunch of other nudes. This is a really good gloss consistency, but I just have so many other ones that look similar to this that I prefer, so this is gonna go. One more for the I Love Sarai collection. This is the gloss in Curvy. Really like it. It's a nice nude pink, but it's not too milky either. I really like this collection. I get use out of this one still, so I'm gonna keep it. This last one is from Kylie Cosmetics. This is the Kylie gloss, or one of her lip glosses. I really do like this one, but I much prefer the other glosses I have, so this one is gonna go as well. So after we decluttered all of the glosses, these are the ones we have left, which I think is a really good, reasonable amount compared to the overwhelming like stack that we had up top beforehand. I'm really pleased with that. So these are all the glosses that are gonna be going in the trash. Unfortunately, I either just don't use them, or I don't think they're good enough to pass up on, and they just gotta go, sadly. And then these will be the ones that I'm gonna give to my sister or to my mom, just because there's enough product left in them. They were a little bit more pricey, and I just feel like they would probably use these a lot more than the other ones. So that was it for today's video. If you guys like these kind of videos, make sure you guys are hitting that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.